A-R-A-N-J-I. That's us. A-R-A-N-J-I. That's right. Yo, we're Kranjians, we step up, rise up and take up the challenge. We excel in knowledge, creative and full of integrity. All we seek is to be worthy of nation and family. Nation and family, eager to learn, hungry to succeed. We build our school on friendship and goodwill. Here in Kranji, we spur each other, reaching out to greater heights in life together with our teachers and also our parents. We forge a bright tomorrow, not only for ourselves but for our children too. A whole new world in harmony. A-R-A-A-N-J-I. That's us. A-R-A-A-N-J-I. That's right.